Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain about how to make easy text animation in Blender. Let's start. First delete this. Now press N. Here easy text animation. Now enter your text here. Now click here create easy text. Now here you can increase the size. And here you change text material. Now here you can change text font. Now here you can extrude the text. Here you adjust the space. Here align the text. OK. Now we start animate the text. Here is the first animation. Here is the second animation. Let's see here what are all animation presets here. And here you set start frame and end frame. Let play. I try next animation effect. Let play. OK. Now I select this animation. I make some adjustment in this value. I play it, see what happen. Now I change the flow animation here. Okay, now I add second animation. I make change in second animation start time. Here you see the first animation ends in 60th frame. Now I set second animation starts on 70th frame and end in 100. Let play. I change the flow animation here. Now I check to enable the scale. I adjust the value here. And I enable the rotation. In rotation section I make some change text animation. Okay, now I choose another text animation effect. I enable this translate. And I enable the rotation. Okay, here I make some adjustment. Let play it how it's look. Nice. Okay. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. I see you on another useful video. Thanks for watching. Bye.